I think Jagriti was great. It was an eye-opener to the way I think. And I always thought parenting was feeding the child, giving bath, making the child ready for school, educating. But then Jagriti made me realize that it's preparing the child emotionally, mentally, sexually. And there's much more other than feeding and passing class 10th and college and getting a job. There's respecting the child and treating him as equal, and a lot of things which made me really think, which was there in the back of the head and I never thought of it. But now it's like come in front, and the way I talk to my child, the way I deal with her, the way I enjoy her happiness or be a part of her thinking, her happiness, it's really changed, and which has given me peace, given me happiness. So I'm really grateful to Jagriti for that.
Jagriti has been such an amazing journey, though it has been a journey of just 10 sessions, but the kind of impact that it has had on my life and in turn on the life of the people around me in my house is amazing, which I cannot even express in my words. I feel all these years I used to think that everything is under my control. I need to have a control over everything, my children, my husband. But now I feel that everybody is responsible, can handle their own lives, including my kids, and the locus of control is being handed over to each. And I'm feeling free and peace.
Hello, I'm Swati here. This course, when I actually came in, I thought it was understanding the kids, but then finally it was understanding myself. It was an eye opener for me, and it was bringing about the awareness. So every parent, every teacher, or even a person who wants to understand himself should attend this Jagriti course. I would proudly say I'm a Jagriti.
The last 5 Saturdays I've spent laughing a lot, thinking even more, and breaking a lot of barriers in my mind, which I don't think anything would have been so intense that it would break a lot of your the way you think, and make sure that you think in a more open way. And it's not just about specifically about parenting, at least in my case. It's more about understanding myself and knowing that there's always another way of doing what I do.
I feel empowered. No, whatever we thought, I introspected, thought in last 10 sessions is all sinking in. It's very slow. It's not like I have changed in a day, but it's a lot of thoughts going on. It's a lot of sinking. I'm not trying to experiment anything at home right now, but I think it's naturally, subconsciously, a few things are happening, like the feelings or like the beliefs, right? You kind of think that, oh, now I know about it. So you kind of think about it in your mind, and then you pause, and then you think what you want to do about it. So that's helping, and I think I have always been very excited being with my kids. Now I am super excited to be with them and see it in a whole different way now. So that's great for me.
I love the training sessions in Amabel. I think to make it short, it's the best course I've ever done, and this which leads me for better parenting, and I've learned lots of things which I would definitely implement it in my future life. Thank you.
I thought it's Jagriti is about learning about the kids' activities, kids' behavior or motivation, everything is child concerned. But after attending the first session, I saw that I have to change. So it was shocking, really. At first it was shocking to me. Then I learned to realize what they are telling is true, right? Yeah, we have to change. Then after that I changed towards everything, not only towards my children, every other things around my friends, my husband, and everything started so smooth for me. It gave me so much of peace and happiness which I never had. So I thought if I have never been to Jagriti, then I have been in the darkness. So really I thank Jagriti for that. Hats off.